In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up your Meta Pixel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your pixel created and ready to start tracking the actions people take on your website or other properties so you can run more effective ad campaigns. First, go ahead and open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account that you use to manage your Facebook and Instagram assets. This is where Meta keeps all of your tools for pages, ads, and tracking in one place. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, look for the option called All Tools. This is usually located in the main navigation menu on the left or sometimes under a menu icon. Click on All Tools to expand the full list of features that are available to your business account. From that list, find and click on Events Manager. Events Manager is the section where Meta handles tracking, like your pixel and conversions. This is where you can see how people interact with your website, app, or other data sources. Inside Events Manager, look for a button or link that says Connect Data and click on it. This is the starting point for creating a new pixel or other tracking setup. Meta will now ask you what type of data source you want to connect. You'll see several options such as web, app, offline, CRM, or messaging. Choose the data source that matches where you want to track events. For a typical website pixel, you'll select web. If your main focus is an app or offline conversions, you would choose those instead. After selecting your data source, click on Next to continue. Now you'll see an option to create new data set. A data set is essentially the container where your pixel data will live. Click on Create New Data Set to start setting this up. You'll be asked to type in a name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like your business name plus the word pixel or the website it's connected to. This helps you keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple sites or brands under the same account. Next, in the About the Categories section, click on the area labeled Choose Any That Apply. Here you'll see a list of categories or niches. Select the category that best fits your business or industry. This helps Meta understand the type of activity your dataset will track. Once you've chosen your niche or category, the final step is to click on Create. Meta will then generate your new dataset and pixel. From here, you'll be able to move on to installing the pixel on your website or integrating it with your chosen platform.